quick check-in of my home office with you guys. I want to show you some lights, excuse me, some lights that I purchased from Walmart. I actually have these under my kitchen cabinets, but I purchased the first set from Home Depot, and I actually like these a little bit better because there's more of a different color combination. I'm gonna put these lights right here under my bookcase right here, so I can have a nice lighting effect going on. And I'm gonna show you all how that looks once it's installed. The second thing is I bought these little knobs. These are actually cabinet pulls. These are actually cabinet pulls that I bought from Walmart. And I am going to redo the top of this DIY storage ottoman that I made. And I'm gonna put these right on the top just to give it a decorative effect. I'm gonna spray paint them gold. The last thing is, I am having an issue with my rug. It keeps wrinkling. You all know how when the rug comes rolled up, you have to let it, you have to roll it the other way so that you can kind of trick the rolls. Well, it's still puckering and I don't know what it is. So I saw a hack on YouTube where someone said to just buy some double-sided tape and that should work. A carpet pad probably really wouldn't work because this is not a hard surface. When I get the floors done downstairs, then the carpet pad will work to prevent slippage. But I'm gonna move this desk right here, and then I'm going to just flip the rug over and do the double-sided tape and tape it down, and hopefully that will do the trick. Because right now it is just, I mean, if y'all have some ideas on how to fix that, please let me know. The last thing is my plant, y'all. I picked her up from Walmart probably about a week ago, and when I bought her, it was just, you know, just these green stems, maybe about this much, and then they have grown out this long. This is called a hyacinth, and look how much she's grown. So clearly I'm going to need a bigger pot to plant her in, which I'll probably be buying that today. Or maybe I'll just put her in a clear vase because I do like the me being able to see the natural roots. But that so far is my office update. Let me just give you a quick panoramic view. I do like the fact that it's much brighter in here. What I had in here before, the furniture was nice at the time that I bought it, but yeah, it just was time for it to go. These pictures right here, these came off of my wall going up my staircase. I just haven't put them back yet, but I will be putting them back soon, probably after my floors get done. And there you have it. I like it. What do you guys think? Think I should put one over here also? I think I might. Let's do that. And like I said, this does change colors. I'm just gonna pull the strip out here to activate it. Let's see if I can get it to do a different color. Okay, it was at this point that I was about to get the heck out of my house. Okay, why did the TV come on? Y'all, the TV just came on. That is so weird. Why did the TV come on? Y'all, my TV just came on and the remote control is still over there on the TV stand. Oh, look at that blue that matches the rest of the office. I think this remote control is controlling this TV. That would be so weird if it is. That was scary. That flower gives off a nice little fragrance. It smells good, real very perfumey. I'm gonna have to make sure I get something pretty to put her in. I'm sure I got something around here somewhere. So I'm just putting a second light. I'm gonna put another one on the side so that it can be symmetrical. And I like this set, y'all, because it comes with the batteries. Look, the set that I bought from Home Depot, it did not come with the batteries. I had to purchase them separately. But this set was only $15 from Walmart. Each little light takes 3 batteries, So when you buy this set, it's already ready to go. And there we go. Nice, right? $15 short lighting hack from Walmart. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll check back in with you later when that light up there finally gets installed.